Hello, and welcome to another episode of Daily AI Brief, where we dive into the latest advancements and challenges in the AI landscape. From groundbreaking releases to industry challenges, we've got a packed show for you today. Imagine robots learning from over 44,000 hours of human experience. It's like giving them a childhood of rich interactions to draw from. NVIDIA has taken a massive leap forward with the release of DreamDojo, an open source model that leverages precisely this vast dataset of egocentric human videos. NVIDIA's DreamDojo is designed to revolutionize robotic simulation. It uses a two-phase training methodology. The first phase involves pre-training the model with continuous latent actions sourced from the comprehensive human video data, facilitating self-supervised learning of physical dynamics. In the second phase, the model is fine-tuned on specific robot data, helping it adapt to various environments and objects. This process is crucial for tasks like teleoperation and model-based planning. Technically, DreamDojo stands out by using continuous latent actions as proxy actions, effectively bridging gaps caused by the scarcity of action labels. It features a sophisticated distillation pipeline that supports real-time inference, achieving 10.81 FPS at a 640 by 480 resolution. The model can sustain over a minute of real-time interactions at 10 FPS, which is essential for practical robotic applications. The scale here is unprecedented. 44,711 hours of video makes it 15 times bigger than previous models, and DreamDojo incorporates 96 times more distinct skills. These numbers underline its capability to generalize across diverse scenarios more robustly than before. However, there are trade-offs. The model's performance in unstructured and specialized real-world environments is yet to be extensively tested. Integrating DreamDojo with existing systems might require substantial modifications, and the computational demands could limit deployment in resource-constrained settings. Curious to experience it? You can dive into the project's documentation on the official DreamDojo website. Clone the repo from GitHub to try integrating the model into your robotics projects, or explore demo applications like teleoperation. DreamDojo promises to redefine how robots interpret human actions by enhancing their understanding through expansive real-world data. The open-source nature of DreamDojo not only invites diverse contributions, but also offers enterprises an invaluable opportunity to innovate, reducing the usual heavy lifting of data collection. This step toward widespread robotic adoption encourages industries such as logistics, healthcare, and manufacturing to explore automation possibilities, significantly enhancing operational efficiency. AlphaGo's mastermind, David Silver, has secured a staggering $1 billion to fuel an ambitious AI venture without the large language models, LLMs, dominating today's landscape. His startup, Ineffable Intelligence, is making waves by championing reinforcement learning over LLMs. Ineffable Intelligence is set on changing the game by leveraging reinforcement learning to drive its AI frameworks. Unlike the prevalent LLMs that focus on learning from vast corpuses of pre-existing text, reinforcement learning immerses itself in a process of trial and error, learning directly from interactions. This technique enables AI systems to make decisions based on specific feedback from the environment, refining their strategies over time. Ineffable Intelligence plans to harness proprietary frameworks to enhance these experience-based learning systems, potentially revolutionizing how AI models operate. Sequoia Capital's leadership in this funding round reflects strong confidence in Silver's vision, propelling the startup to an impressive post-funding valuation of $4 billion. Silver's reputation as a pivotal figure in developing AlphaGo at Google DeepMind lends a significant weight to this venture, setting high expectations for innovation and impact. Further enhancing the potential for breakthroughs, talks for additional investments are underway, with tech giants such as NVIDIA, Google, and Microsoft, indicating a robust interest in alternative AI methodologies. However, significant challenges remain. Reinforcement learning models must demonstrate their scalability and reliability compared to LLMs, which have become the industry standard. One inherent challenge is the adaptability of these systems. Whereas LLMs excel in general-purpose language tasks, reinforcement learning is often more suited to specific environments where rules and feedback are clear. Silver's team will need to convincingly navigate these limitations, proving that their models can perform effectively across diverse, real-world applications. The competitive nature of the AI field means that market adoption will heavily rely on Ineffable Intelligence's ability to illustrate the tangible advantages of their approach. This includes delivering AI solutions that offer improved decision-making processes or learning efficiencies that surpass those offered by more traditional models. Such advancements could potentially reshape enterprise-level AI strategies, focusing on systems that adapt and evolve based on continuous real-world feedback rather than static datasets. For those keen to track Ineffable Intelligence's journey, monitoring technological developments, reviewing David Silver's academic contributions to reinforcement learning, and watching for news on possible collaborations with tech industry leaders are recommended steps. Silver's strategic shift could not only redefine AI development by prioritizing more dynamic, experience-based systems, but also inspire a new wave of innovation within the tech industry. Google has just launched Gemini 3.1 Pro, marking another significant leap in AI reasoning by achieving a stellar score of 77.1% on the ARC AGI2 benchmark. This achievement is not just an incremental improvement, it's over twice the performance compared to its predecessor, Gemini 3 Pro. These advancements underscore Google's strategic focus on pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities, especially in the realms of reasoning and logic. At the core of these advancements is the enhancement of Gemini's reasoning architecture. This new model integrates a set of sophisticated benchmarks, including GPQA Diamond and SWE Bench Verified, to rigorously validate its wide-ranging capabilities. Such enhancements enable the model to perform adaptive reasoning and complex logic pattern solving, crucial for tasks such as decision-making and strategic planning. Users can tap into these capabilities through accessible platforms like Google AI Studio and Android Studio, ensuring integration into diverse development environments. Gemini 3.1 Pro doesn't just shine with ARC AGI2. It also boasts an impressive score of 94.3% on GPQA Diamond, providing solid evidence of its robust logical reasoning capacity, and 80.6% on SWE Bench Verified, suggesting its applicability in various settings. These scores reflect a substantial leap in performance and clearly outperform significant competitors such as Claude Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.2. In particular, it dramatically outpaces Claude Opus's 68.8% and GPT 5.2's 52.9% on the ARC AGI2 benchmark, showcasing Google's edge in the AI race. However, despite these technical triumphs, feedback from users has highlighted areas for growth, particularly concerning emotional depth and creativity. These traits are essential for nuanced human-like interactions across varied contexts. There are also inherent risks in relying heavily on benchmarks to gauge real-world effectiveness, as these might not fully capture the complexities of practical applications. For those willing to explore the practical applications of this advanced AI model, Gemini 3.1 Pro can be accessed via Google AI Studio for scalable enterprise solutions. Developers should consider using Gemini CLI tools to incorporate these models into their projects. Experimenting with Notebook LM for personal projects can also unveil new possibilities, allowing one to leverage Gemini's strengths for innovative solutions. In conclusion, Gemini 3.1 Pro represents not only a leap forward in AI's reasoning capabilities, but also rekindles the conversation about balancing technical prowess with emotional intelligence. As Google continues to iterate and refine, one can expect future models to focus on enhancing empathy and creativity alongside reasoning abilities. The introduction of Gemini 3.1 Pro is a clear demonstration of AI's growing potential to tackle ever more complex, reasoning-intensive applications, driving rapid progress and innovation in the tech world. As AI technologies continue their rapid expansion across industries, the need for robust governance frameworks is more critical than ever. IBM's new guide offers a roadmap for organizations aiming to ethically manage AI systems through detailed governance strategies. Let's delve into how IBM is addressing this challenge and its implications for the future of AI. The Practical Guide by IBM outlines comprehensive strategies that deeply embed ethical principles into organizational governance structures. Central to this approach are accountability, transparency, and fairness, pillars essential for ensuring AI technologies do not tread into unethical territories. IBM suggests using tools like AI fact sheets, which they introduced back in July 2020, to meticulously document and enforce these ethical principles. These fact sheets act as a transparency tool, facilitating organizations in confidently navigating the complex ethical landscapes that accompany AI technologies. Moreover, the guide aims to prepare organizations for an evolving regulatory environment. With an astounding 400 million terabytes of data generated daily, expected to reach 150 zettabytes by 2024, there's a palpable urgency for frameworks that can handle the scale and complexity of AI data management. IBM's governance framework is not only aligned with current industry trends, but is also geared towards meeting emerging regulatory standards. This alignment provides structured solutions to some of the most pressing ethical challenges in AI deployments today. Nevertheless, the implementation of these governance frameworks is not without its challenges. Organizations might struggle with adoption due to cultural differences, resource constraints, and varying interpretations of ethical standards across different sectors. Furthermore, while the potential of IBM's frameworks is promising, their practical effectiveness in diverse real-world settings remains to be fully evaluated. For organizations keen on adopting this governance model, exploring IBM's official guide on AI governance can offer detailed strategies to inspire effective implementation. Moreover, utilizing AI fact sheets can be instrumental in documenting AI development processes effectively, ensuring alignment with ethical standards, and fostering greater transparency. By championing these initiatives, IBM underscores the indispensable role of governance in not only building trust, but also in ensuring that AI technologies are used ethically and responsibly across all sectors. As industries continue grappling with the rapid advancements in AI, the frameworks proposed by IBM could very well shape the foundation for future ethical compliance, driving a more trustworthy AI landscape. IBM is carving a new path in AI data governance with the introduction of its Agentic Data Management Framework. Announced in October 2025, this groundbreaking approach aims to transform the way enterprises manage their data, ensuring that AI systems operate seamlessly and securely across distributed environments. Central to this strategy is the integration of IBM's watsonx.governance and Guardium AI security within a unified framework. By combining these technologies, IBM offers enterprises a powerful toolset designed to identify and manage AI risks comprehensively. This includes the ability to conduct thorough audits and implement red teaming exercises, which simulate potential attack scenarios to identify vulnerabilities in AI systems. Moreover, the framework is equipped to detect and mitigate shadow AI agents, unauthorized or rogue AI processes that might operate undetected within enterprise systems. The emphasis on dynamic optimization means that IBM's framework intelligently adapts to evolving data conditions, significantly enhancing both data quality and operational efficiency. With autonomous AI systems increasingly tasked with high-level decision-making activities, this framework provides the necessary oversight to ensure that these systems can reason, plan, and execute tasks with minimal human intervention. One of the key collaborations in this initiative is with S&P Global, underscoring the real-world applicability of this framework. However, IBM acknowledges that specific performance metrics related to the integration have yet to be disclosed, and further evaluation is needed to quantify operational improvements. The adoption of agentic data management won't be without challenges. Organizations might face resistance to change due to institutional inertia and the need for extensive training to equip staff with the skills required to manage these sophisticated AI governance systems. Additionally, IBM must address concerns about scalability across different enterprise environments, a critical factor for the widespread implementation of this framework. To explore this transformative journey towards enhanced AI governance, stakeholders are encouraged to visit IBM's official announcement page. More detailed insights into the capabilities of watsonx.governance and Guardium AI security are available, providing a practical understanding of how these tools can be deployed in operational settings. Overall, IBM's agentic data management represents a significant leap forward in AI governance. It promises to fortify enterprise operations against potential AI risks, ensuring businesses can utilize AI technologies confidently and responsibly in the rapidly evolving landscape of digital transformation. In a rapidly evolving tech environment, many organizations are grappling with the challenge of quantifying the return on investment, ROI, from their artificial intelligence AI initiatives. A significant survey conducted by Apptio, which encompasses insights from 1,510 technology leaders, brings these challenges into sharp focus. This segment delves into the underlying issues and potential solutions highlighted in the survey. The survey found that an overwhelming 90% of organizations face difficulties in measuring AI ROI, primarily due to poor data quality and fragmented initiatives. Despite 74% of respondents reporting increased IT budgets, the lack of cohesive measurement tools prevents effective evaluation. This misalignment underscores the complexity of integrating AI projects into existing business frameworks without robust tracking mechanisms. To tackle these challenges, Apptio introduces innovative tools like the AI TCO and usage module, designed to enhance visibility into AI-related investments. This tool leverages sophisticated data analysis techniques, integrating financial and usage data to provide comprehensive insights. By employing APIs, Apptio's solutions enable seamless data extraction from various tech management systems, aiming to reduce silos and improve data quality. Further complementing these efforts is the Hybrid IT TCO Impact Tool, specifically targeting hybrid cloud expenditures. This tool helps organizations meticulously track their investments and manage spending more efficiently through detailed tracking and reporting capabilities. Such tools are vital in a landscape where understanding every dollar spent on AI can significantly influence strategic decisions. However, challenges persist beyond technological solutions. Data quality remains a core hurdle, often attributed to disparate data sources and inconsistent data standards within organizations. Furthermore, initiative fragmentation leads to a disjointed approach in AI implementation, complicating cohesive ROI assessment. Overcoming these barriers requires organizations to not only invest in technology solutions like Apptio's, but also foster an organizational culture focused on strategic alignment and integrated data management. Practically, organizations can start by exploring Apptio's extensive resources and leveraging available demos to better understand how their solutions can be applied. This hands-on approach allows technology leaders to visualize the benefits and align these tools with organizational objectives. Ultimately, understanding AI's ROI is about more than just financial metrics. It involves strategically aligning technology investments with measurable organizational outcomes. By addressing key pain points and leveraging advanced tools, companies can start to realize the full potential of their AI investments, fostering trust and paving the way for broader adoption of AI technologies across industries. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Daily AI Brief. As we see breakthroughs in AI governance, robotics, and ROI measurement, the tech world continues to evolve at an astounding pace. Stay informed and explore the resources we've discussed to stay ahead in this dynamic field. Until next time, keep innovating.